February 13th, 2025. The police in Danville, Illinois were dispatched after a missing 15-year-old girl was seen with some strangers in an apartment. On getting there, the residents of the apartment refused to cooperate with the cops, which later escalated to an arrest of one of the suspects, while the other suspect fled the scene. Watch how it all started.
You live here?
No, I'm just here.
Why are you here if you don't live here?
I'm visiting my sister.
Visiting who?
My sister.
Who's your sister?
Margie.
You get her on the phone?
Oh.
On getting to the apartment, the cops met a teenage boy at the door whom they started questioning. Watch how a simple conversation turns into chaos in the next few minutes. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.
He needs to know who you are. You don't have a right to be here.
I can call her, she not answer, but she finna be on the way right now.
So what's your name?
She should be pulling up.
What's your name?
Duran.
Duran. What's your last name?
Wood.
Who else is here?
Nobody.
You were just talking to somebody.
I was just talking to nobody.
See 20 and 28.
Were you here last night?
Yeah.
Yeah? So you're not just visiting. The problem is, he needs to figure out if you have the right to be here or not. Because maybe you're trespassing.
Nah.
If he can't talk to the person that is the leaseholder and verify that you have the right to be here, we're having a problem. She's gonna get in trouble.
She finna be on the way.
Where's your ID?
She here.
Where's your ID?
Few minutes into questioning the teenage boy and asking for a means of identification, a lady then appeared who happens to be the elder sister of the teenage boy named Duran. Watch how she fueled up the drama.
Number one, he needs to verify that you're the resident here.
Okay.
Okay, this is
The man is man. Okay.
Number two, there's a missing juvenile that's reported to be here.
No, she's not. We just talked to her parents. She's not reporting. We just dropped her back off around late.
Who'd you talk to?
Her mother,
Who's her mother?
Candace.
So you saw the 15-year-old?
We got her from where she
Her
was.
backpack's in the room back there. Why is her backpack in the room back there?
You went in my house.
Nope.
Well,
Why is her backpack there?
we talked to her mom.
The police officer has started asking Duran's elder sister questions about the missing girl, but now she is giving answers that are not matching. Does she actually know anything about the missing girl? Because the cops are starting to suspect her.
We're investigating a missing juvenile.
And I just told you we talked to her mom.
Let me finish. If you don't cooperate and you don't furnish your ID, you're obstructing. That's against the law. This man in here also.
He's not obstructing nothing. He's a minor. You don't have nothing to talk to him. You don't need his ID. No, you don't. You get your foot up on my door. Close the door and I'll talk to you properly. I just asked you to close my door. I will once you close my door.
I don't know what you're screaming.
Because I asked him to close my door. I'm not talking to you. You stay back there. You ain't said in the first place. Don't say shit now. I asked you to move your foot up on my door.
Well, get your ID.
I'm not going to get nothing until you get your foot up on my door. I just asked you to get your foot up on my door, and I will get.
Because
I don't care.
I'm recording you.
Okay,
because
that's
you're gonna
fine.
Be
But
charged with obstructing.
I'm not obstructing nothing.
We need to verify whether you're her.
And I told you I will do that.
Missing juvenile.
And I told you I will do that once you get your foot up on my door. And I told you I will do that.
You understand that?
Once you get your foot up on my door, I will do that.
Come back to him.
I'm trying to do the best I could for you. I'm trying to help you.
Go get your ID.
I will. Once you get your foot up on my door, I'm not gonna leave you right here with him. Ain't nobody in there with him but him.
I can't verify that.
I'm telling you that.
And I don't know that you live here.
I just told you
I don't care what you tell me. People lie all the time.
You ain't nobody to be lying to, mister. But you get your foot out my door.
Who's Desiree?
I don't know. That's not me. I asked you to take your foot out the door and I will do what you said.
I'm asking you to provide identification.
I asked you to get your foot out the door so I can do as you said. You not detaining shit. You got me fucked up. I didn't do shit. You at my house.
You're gonna be detained.
You not gonna detain me shit.
Where's your...
They looking for Janelle. And he don't got no ID. I just told you he's a minor, so you can stop talking to him. I'm his guardian.
You have a school ID?
He don't.
He doesn't go to school?
No.
Why not?
Stop touching me.
Oh, just show him your ID,
You're gonna be detained.
I don't give a fuck about nothing.
Oh, just show him your
I'm
ID.
not showing him no ID shit. If I ask him to do something, he can't do. He's sitting here saying trying to talk to you. I told him that we talked to her mama. You don't gotta give him your name neither. You do not have to give him your name because he's not fucking looking for you. You don't have shit to do with nothing, so you don't have to give him your name.
Detained. You wanna go in handcuffs?
He not going to no motherfucking handcuffs, nothing. He not going to no handcuffs neither. You looking for a minor, that's what you need to be doing. And if he trying to put some cuffs on me, I'm gonna go to jail for something different.
Just give him your ID.
Get the fuck on. I'm not playing with
Marjay,
you.
just
I'll
give him
kick
your
his ass
ID,
in his
man.
fucking face. No.
Oh, just give him your ID.
Where do you live?
He stay right there, duh.
Where are you?
I'm his parent.
you hear what you
I'm his
said?
guardian.
He lives.
No, he's not on the leash. No.
He's not on the leash.
No.
He's not supposed to be.
Okay, he can live here with me though.
No, he can't.
How the fuck you gonna tell me?
Ask him.
Read your lease. It says on the lease.
You not Shelly or nobody. You don't know what I talk to anybody about. So you can be quiet. You can't speak English. Shut up.
Say what?
As things are getting heated up with Duran's elder sister and the cops, a young man walks in claiming to be the elder brother of the missing girl. Is he lying, or does he really know something about the case? Listen to what he told the cops.
You don't know what you're talking about. You're looking for my little sister.
Exactly.
What's your name?
And I told
You don't need to know that
What's your
because
name?
you're looking for my little
Reggie.
sister and she's somewhere in
Reggie.
Round Lake.
Okay, Reggie, where's your sister?
She's somewhere in Round Lake with her friends and I told her that.
Now, it contradicts exactly what she just
That
said.
don't
No,
got
it-
nothing
no,
to do
it
with her.
don't.
And it doesn't. That don't have nothing to do with none of them and you're at her door. This is
You
not
don't
her
live
address.
here, right?
Yes, I do.
Who's on the lease?
You have your ID?
No, he
I
don't have
don't.
to tell you no ad because who is you? You not the police.
That doesn't have nothing.
Even better. I represent the property. You're staying.
Okay, I understand that, but this is what I'm saying. The reason why that they called you for looking for my little sister is because my little sister got out of that house because of my mom putting her hands on her. That girl is somewhere in Round Lake. She told me that
She's
was
a missing juvenile.
Okay, but she told you want me to
She
call
needs to
her?
be
I'm finna call
returned
my, I'm
home.
finna call my mom so you guys
Call your mom.
I'm finna
Call
call
your
my
mom.
mom. I'm calling my mom.
I thought you said you drop her off at the mom. So
That's what you said. That's what you said.
Okay, I'm calling my mom
I
right
told
now.
you I talked to her mother. I told you, yes, I did tell you that we talked to her mother ourselves.
no. We're
You
gonna
don't even
review the body
understand
cam.
English. Be quiet.
We're gonna review the body
Okay,
cam.
but I got my mom on the phone right
So
now.
you're lying too. So
Nobody's lying.
she's lying. She said something different.
But this doesn't have nothing to do with her. This is my girlfriend. That's what I'm saying. Y'all got
And
her
then he
business
talking about
coming over
eviction in
here.
30 days because of police activity. Like, I don't even know what the fuck he's
This
talking
doesn't
about.
have nothing to do with her. She's calling. She sent y'all
You
to.
come out of.
This is my.
That's what I did.
I
No, but I mean,
my
is
friend
he in
was
the
over.
car?
My friend was over here.
Can
But
you call
listen.
Gmar, please?
Okay, I'm calling.
Because they need to get the fuck away from my house.
This ain't your house.
That's the
This
fuck
is her house. Is you
Not on the
crazy?
lease.
How
is she not on
so
the
whose
lease?
house is this?
She hasn't proved anything.
I don't gotta prove shit to
This
nobody,
is
y'all.
her
This is
house.
my shit. And I don't get no fuck.
Okay, stop all that yelling, please.
I can say it's my house.
This is her house, though. What do you
I can
mean?
say-
Why would she
Where's
be at
your
somebody else's house? Hello?
Where you at?
Yes. She got the police at this house looking for them. I like she didn't call them and tell them that she's not missing. She know where she's at. You on speakerphone?
Police at your house
Yes.
to get Janita?
And like she don't like my mama don't know where Jania is at.
Yeah, she know where she at.
Exactly.
That's not Jania's mom, right?
This is her mother. Jania's mother's mother. This is Evelyn.
No. We need to speak to Jania.
Y'all
And I'm trying to call her and she
Y'all
wasn't
have been
answering.
talking to her.
Y'all have been talking to her. Y'all just being a-holes right now. That's not cool. That's not okay. There's
And
some
then we talking
a
about-
minor on.
Don't watch your mouth, Reggie.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, but that doesn't have nothing to do with your behavior.
Who's the young lady that's here with your grandson?
But you just said that she
This
can't
is
see
her house.
nobody. So who is she to
It's
verify?
not her house. This is a
Okay,
man
so how
in
is
here.
she
Whose house this
Okay,
is?
listen, stop all that yelling. But who is she to verify whose house is this? If this is not her mother.
I don't know who that is.
Okay, G-Ma, who is this right? G-Ma, who is this right here with you? This is her house.
Yes,
Is this
returned
not-
to their knowledge. They are going to be calling
This
the
is
mother
her
to
house, like
verify.
she's saying.
10-4, I've got to know.
Can you add my mama to this call, please?
She went home.
Cause she not answering for me.
She called me, but
So
y'all
make sure you stay away from me because if I get my hands on you, you're going to jail. Okay?
And that's for
I'm
what?
giving you a heads up.
For what?
Obstructing.
Hello?
I'm not.
That's but you're
Here, ID.
she has to. Hey, how is you grabbing her? Why are you grabbing her? Why are you grabbing her? Hey, hey,
Stop. Hey.
hey, why are you grabbing me, bro? Hey,
I get off you. That's my arm, though, bro. Like,
I'm not touching you.
stop. Hey. See, that's what I just said. Oh my God.
I don't got no hands.
Oh my God.
I don't have any hands on you.
Hey. Stop.
on you.
Get hit him. Hey. Stop!
Oh, I don't got no hands.
Stop!
You are under
God, look at all my God.
Who's phone?
He just pulled out the door. Let me go. Y'all some bitches. Let me go. I'm my brother. Let me go right now. You already got me in handcuffs. I asked you to let me the fuck go. Yeah. I'm loosening these cuffs, bitch. I'm loosening them. I asked y'all to unloosen my fucking cuffs before you put me in this car. Unloosen the cuffs before you put me in the car. Now.
Where's your ID?
In my fucking pocket, bitch.
Which pocket?
Unloosen the fucking cuffs up.
Which
Damn. I'm gonna tell you what you unloosen my fucking cuffs. I asked for a sergeant anyways, and why there ain't no woman right here? And y'all all in my fucking pockets. Let me go. Before I spit on you. Can you unloosen these cuffs? That's why I don't like stupid to arrest and never call no fucking police to my house. She just on the fucking phone with the little girl. That shit dumb as fuck. I just told her it was too much going on for her arrest. She trying to call the police to her motherfucking house. I loosen these fucking cuffs. I loosen the cuffs. Now let me go. Now let me go.
Mom is adamant the daughter will stay the night and will not leave.
Exactly. Now let me go. Now what you still putting me in the car for? If she just said that everything was okay, what are you still putting me in the car for? Charge me
You're
for
gonna get
what?
charged for resisting.
I didn't resist nothing.
For obstructing.
I didn't resist
Go
nothing.
ahead.
I didn't resist nothing.
I'm gonna write you a couple tickets and then you can go inside. Go on, get inside.
Who said I had time for all that?
I do. Get in. Otherwise, you're gonna get charged again.
Okay, but I asked
Get in.
you to
Get in.
unloosen my cuffs. This shit hurt.
You're
I
loosening the
asked you.
cuffs?
You was a fucking bitch and I want your name.
It'll be on the ticket.
Unloosen it. That's what the
Get
fuck I said.
Get in.
I said unloosen
Get
it.
in.
Unloosen the fucking cuffs. He talking about
The
they
officer
probably
checked
did.
them. The officer
okay, I
checked
don't
them.
get no fuck. They hurt.
All right, go on, get in. If you would have cooperated from the very beginning.
I loosen this right cuff at
Get
least,
in.
bro.
Get in.
I loosen the right cuff.
Stop moving your arms and your wrist, and they won't bind up on you.
Bro, what the
Okay,
fuck you
bro.
think I'm doing?
Okay, come on,
I'm
just get
loosening
in.
the right cuff.
Just get in.
I'm loosening the right cuff. My wrist already fucking broke. You just
Your
right
wrist
here
is
fighting
broke?
me in the
Really?
just fighting me
You
in
seem
the
to be
fucking
resisting
thing.
just fine.
Bro, I'm losing my fucking cuff. Damn.
I can get my
Ow.
finger in there.
Okay, that's
I can get my finger in there. Get in.
Now I'm
Sit
losing
down.
the cuff.
Sit down.
I'm losing the fucking cuff.
Sit in the car.
No, I'm
Sit
losing
in
this
the
cuff
car.
first.
Otherwise, I'm gonna help you win.
Bro,
Okay?
I just
Bro,
asked you to
There's
unloosen
room
this
in the
cuff.
cuff because I can get a
Ouch.
whole finger in there. Get in the
I
car.
don't give
It's
a
not
fuck. I
tight.
said this is tight.
Get in. You're gonna get
Fuck, I
charged
don't
again.
get no
You come over and help me. You hold this while I'm cuff her.
Hi, your name.
It's up there. Your stuff's up there. You're arrested because you committed 2 offenses.
But I asked his name though.
My star number's on the bottom of the ticket.
Okay, can I have his too?
Sure.
Can I have your
820.
badge number?
It's 820.
820.
Yep. All right, you're asking me where the 2 15-year-olds are? What are the 15-year-olds' names? What are the names of the 15-year-olds? And where do they live?
My brother was in the house.
Who's your brother?
The young man that you was talking to at the door.
The one that said his name was Duran?
Yes.
I don't know. He closed the door when you told him to close the door. Who's the other 15-year-old?
His friend was in there with him. He left.
See, everybody likes to lie.
Well, nobody
Everybody
lied.
said there was only Duran in there. And there were
when
2 people
when
in
I
there.
left my
You understand the problem, RJ?
No, listen to what I'm trying to tell you. When I left my apartment, my brother had a friend over.
Let's go in the laundry room so no one hears your business.
You don't even have to come. I just want to know if y'all didn't take them, that's okay.
Where would you take them if you were in the car?
I don't know. I was actually.
This is. Come here for a second. Come here for a second. Come here for a second.
It's cold.
I understand. That's why I asked you to step. You want to make those tickets disappear?
I gotta go to court. They don't disappear.
You want to make them disappear?
And how I'm gonna do that?
You be nice to me and you cooperate,
And I was
and I'll
doing
make
that.
them disappear.
All I asked you was to get your foot out the door, and I will do exactly what you
Okay.
said.
Look at me for a second.
That little girl mother is putting everybody else's situation in harm's way.
We don't know that.
That little boy cannot be in no. He cannot be
Let me
in no
speak.
trouble.
The mom reported Janaea missing, or Gianni missing last night. They asked us to come here.
And they came here last
We
night.
came here last night.
And we wasn't
And they
here.
refused to open the door, whether it was Duran or the other boy that was in here. Refused to open the door, refused to speak to us. Problem number one. Problem number two comes to tonight when you refuse to cooperate. He refuses to tell us what his name is. Everybody wants to refuse. The only thing that does is create a problem for you and everybody else. Now you don't know where two 15-year-olds are.
The other one, his friend mama probably came to get him. That's what I'm trying to say.
They're not supposed to be out this late. It's coming up on curfew.
Exactly.
They can get arrested.
They sure can.
They can get hurt.
They can.
And if they get hurt, guess who it's going to come back to?
Me, and what? That's why.
That's right. Now you understand. Now you understand why we try and do our job. And when you impede us from doing our job, it makes things worse. Now you're at worse. I'm going to do you this favor. You come to court on March 19, and I'll make those tickets disappear.
Okay.
I need to see you in that courtroom on that morning, and you tell me that we're sorry. We're all sorry for all this. Okay? And I'll make them disappear. But moving forward, do not obstruct, do not refuse to cooperate, do not cause a problem for the police.
All right.
When we ask your name, it's very simple. We just want to know who you are. We need to know who the juveniles are in case they're missing.
Right.
We have a job to do. So see if you can find Duran and the other friend, and when you find them, call the police department and let us know that you found them. Otherwise, it's going to be a big problem, and it's going to come back to you because they were in your apartment.
I'm pretty sure he had one of the apartments over here.
Okay, but we don't know that.
He can't go nowhere else.
And the other boy, Reggie, I'm assuming it's Reggie. That's a big problem. You don't fight with the police.
He was fighting. The police was fighting him. He did not touch that man.
He got in the way when I was trying to come to get you.
Because you was grabbing me by my leg.
Because I told you you were under arrest.
No, you did not never tell me that.
I told you when you were standing up there that I was going to arrest you if I got my hands on you. I told you that very clearly more than one time, okay?
Okay, I'm finna go.
So, go. Good luck.